servant. I got a triple pop. Please let me get all my money back, boys. You see me? Alright, let's go. Alright, come on, throw me some more of those. Come on, ready? You see? You see? Alright, come on, please, give me something. A two-timer? Okay. Alright, keep on going. And what about y'all two? Come on, some of that fall. Okay, good. I'll take, you give me a minute, but, you know. Alright, one more grand and I'm happy. One more grand, I'm happy. I will go back to my room. I will take melatonin, go to sleep this whole weekend. You won't see me. No, I went to go up there, but, you know, whatever. Alright, keep it going. Don't do that. Something falling. Save me. Okay, good. Come on, what's this? A maxi? Oh, one more maxi. I appreciate you. Alright. Come on, don't do that. Come on. We've been too soft for too long. Something falling, please. No! The beggars cannot be choosers. But thank y'all for watching.